Are you afraid of God?
No. I'm afraid of you.
So I was headed to a car meet. I had just got done washing the car up. I'm out here in Arlington. Just got done washing it, man. Full of bugs. Landed all on the windshield as soon as I got on the windshield. Then about a minute in, a truck pulls up. Cow hood, cammed, everything, tries to race me. I'm like, dude, like, it's kind of like a waste of time, you know. I don't feel like flooring. I'm trying to just cruise and just chill out and just head to the meet, you know. But I don't know, he pulled up trying to race. I told him, like, all right, whatever you want to do. He throws a 50 roll. He wants to do a 50 roll, so I gave him a 50 roll. I mean, I walked off on him. I'm just tapping the gas, like, come on, like, where you at? And then he stops, gets mad. He's like, all right, let's do a lower roll. I'm like, all right, dude, let's do another one. Roll off, take off again. Put my hazards on, just took off, man. I have to pull over right now at this location and clean off my windshield and shit because I had full of bugs. But the car meet is literally like 2 blocks over. I just wanted to clean off all the bugs. Sorry about that. I just wanted to clean off all the bugs before I get to the car meet because they were literally all over the windshield, all over the front of the car. And I had just washed it, so it kind of pissed me off. But I guess we're gonna head to the car meet. It's literally like maybe like 2 blocks down that way. I don't know if you guys can see it, but we're about to head there. If there's anything nice there, I'll shoot a film for you guys and show you some of the cars. But stay tuned. We just made it to the car meet. Looks pretty decent. It's not as live as I thought it would be, but we are here. I don't know if there's a lot worth shooting here because it's kind of dead yet. It's only 7:33. The meet ends at 9:30, so I'll give it about 30 minutes to an hour, see if it picks up. But we're here. I'll probably walk around a little bit, see what's here. All right, so we got a guy here at the car meet. He's gonna shout out his Instagram. Go ahead, put your Instagram on there.
It's Taylor Media, TAYLORED.media.
All right, follow him on Instagram. Make sure y'all check him out. Came over complimenting my car. All right. Yeah, this is my first time bringing this one out, but this is my Instagram right here. Appreciate it, man.
I do photosynthesis stuff if you ever.
Okay, yeah. I'll probably have to get you to shoot some of that one because I need to shoot some photos of that
On
one.
a team?
Nah, not really. No.
Maybe?
What team y'all got?
I host I founded a team called Team Origins.
I heard of it.
Yeah.
Yeah. You got any cars here?
The BMW right there and the silent.
Oh, okay, nice. I had an FRS too.
Beamer's fine.
All right.
I can't drive it yet though. I don't have a license.
Oh, but you're still rolling.
My mom's over there.
Oh, okay.
Keep that on the video.
Yeah, I can feel you.
I put tie riding on it earlier.
Nice.
That's really long. That's really long.
Yeah, I miss my FRS a little bit.
I don't even know if it's real comfort. It's probably not.
Oh, yeah. It looks like it is. Possibly it is. Oh, okay.
We're gonna get some.
Yeah.
I'll run it by my team. See it.
All right, we got another guy at the car meet out in Arlington. He's gonna shout out his Instagram. Put it on my YouTube channel. What's your Instagram?
817 Bullet Bill. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Go and follow.
All right. I saw him taking some
Young-
pictures. I gotta walk by, man.
Yeah, man.
Came and checked me out.
Just
man.
came up here, man. Just trying to make it out here. You know?
Yeah, right. I just started my YouTube channel. It's been up for a little bit, but I mean, I haven't really been posting too much.
Yeah.
But now I am. You know, I just picked up the GoPro Hero 7, so I'm starting to do this shit. But
Yeah, man.
yeah, so shout out to him. Check out his Instagram channel.
Appreciate it.
Instagram page.
Yeah.
Make sure you go follow him.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
Put your page on there. So he just took a nice ass picture of my car. You got an Instagram?
Yeah, it's gonna be fullthrottle _. Look it up. We're on Facebook also. Full Throttle.
That's your Facebook page? All right, man. Appreciate it, man.
Well, I'm gonna see if I can make this a flyer for the next event.
Okay, bet, bro. I appreciate that. So y'all hear that? My car should be on the flyer for the next event. Yeah, man. Appreciate it, man. Thank you. If you want, I can turn on like the lights and you can get like the. If you go to the back, it has the LEDs in the back, so you can take a better picture. Yeah, it has the LED lasers in the back, so if you want to go take a picture. Or I could put these on there. He wants to put it on the flyer, so. have the sequentials and all that stuff on it. So pretty dope car meet, man. The S2K got a lot of attention out here for probably its second car meet out. So make sure y'all check out his Instagram, Facebook page, Full Throttle, right?
Full_throttle_meat.
All right, full_throttle_meat. All right, got you, bro. So make sure y'all go check that out. Yeah, man, appreciate it. Take these off. All right, there you go. Let's see, focus. Yeah, there you go. So go check it out. You can follow my Instagram or whatever if you want, or you send me the pictures that you got, so I can see the flyer. At least I can put it on my YouTube channel. That's my page right there. Yeah, there we go. Yep. Appreciate it, bro. Thank you. Alright, so we're out here gaining pretty much good followers out here for the YouTube channel. We should be on the next flyer. Once he does that, I'll show you guys the flyer and everything, so stay tuned. Alright, we're getting ready to head out from the car meet. He's taking another picture. We're gonna get ready to head out of here, man. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna post a video up on my YouTube channel. Just stay tuned, looking out for it.